This next section is going to be nice and easy because we're just going to put in another text block, and because we set up the HTML and the CSS correctly the first time we did this, all we need to do is paste in the text we want and give the section that we're going to wrap around this, just like we've done before. We're going to have a section that's our container of that text. We're going to give it the same class name, so that means all of the CSS rules that we applied to the original section will be applied to the new one as well. So straight back into it, I'm going to go into my HTML, and down below where we just finished off putting in that summer section, I'm going to create my new block of text. So just like before, I'm going to put in a section tag rather, with a class name of text block. Now if we just scroll up, we can see that that will be exactly the same as what we had earlier. We have the same class name here, text block. So because we're using the same CSS file, we've already got that class name in there, we've already got some rules in for the text block class, and they will automatically be applied to anything in our HTML that's tagged with that class name. So all I need to do now is paste into a set of paragraph tags some text I copied in from Wikipedia. So I'll just quickly fix up the indentation there, and now if we go over to our website, our live preview, you can see that this has been formatted in exactly the same way as the previous text block. So that is one of the massive advantages of using classes properly, is that we can quickly replicate the formatting that we have. And if we want to make changes to that class formatting, we can easily do it in one place and it will update everywhere as well. So what we're going to do here actually is, because the first time we did this, we didn't actually set this text alignment so it was justified, so that it was a straight margin on the right, and we do want to do that. But rather than having to go back and change it in lots of different places, we can just go back into our CSS rule for our text block, which we have just here, and I'll zoom in there for you, and we're just going to change one more rule, and we're going to change the text alignment to justify in this case, and that's the property that will make it so that it's got a straight margin on the left and a straight margin on the right. So it just slightly alters the spacing between the letters so that that happens, and now we've got a nice clean symmetrical look with centered block text both top and bottom, and we can add another block of text quite easily down below that. Okay, so that's it for this video, nice and short, but really important that we're understanding how those classes are working, why we're using the classes, and the fact that they can easily be duplicated to create websites really quickly and really efficiently, and of course most importantly with really consistent and professional looking formatting.